Hello everyone, my name is Devidas Nandringale and my other team members are Soham Sajed, Swapnil Dusane and Somkit Godnalikar. We are from PVG's College of Engineering and Technology, Pune, ENTC department. Here we are for presenting our project work, that is LPG leakage detection, and the second system is a black line following robot to carry the cylinder and measure the weight. And now I am explaining our first system, that is LPG leakage detection. And our basic purpose of our project is we have seen in corona pandemic we have seen that many fire incidents happens in the Gujarat as well as in Maharashtra. More than 65 people lost their lives because of these incidences. So we have designed our system for that purpose. Now my team member Sankit will explain the working of implementation and the basic specifications of our first system, that is LPG leakage detection.
Hello, I am Sankit. Let me tell you what components we have used. So this is a Atmega 328P, which is a 8-bit AVR microcontroller which controls this whole system. We have used 3 sensors, 2 MQ2 sensor. This one is connected to near regulator, and this one is near to the burner, and this is the flame sensor to detect the flame. For indication purpose, we are used this buzzer, and to indicate the messages, we have used this 16:2 LCD display. This is a GSM model 900A, which we use to send the message to the homeowner or to call the fire brigade in case of there is a fire. This is the relay used to cut off main supply. This is a 5-volt DC power supply. And now Swapnil will tell you about the working of this circuit.
I am Swapnil Dusane. I am explaining the working of the project. This is lighter. Lighter containing the kerosene and constant of the LPG gas. Now I am showing the demo of the project. Now I am giving the gas to the MQ2 sensor, which is mounted at the regulator side. See the main AC supply of the house cut using the relay. Buzzer is beeping, and the LCD display the alert message. Gas one is detected. Now I am receive the message from through the GSM model. Gas one is leakages and location. Now I am giving gas to the MQ2 sensor mounted at the burner side. So our main AC supply is cut using the relay. Buzzer is beep, and LCD display the gas 2 is detected, and I received the message from GSM. Gas 2 is leakage. Now I am giving fire to the flame sensor. Now it detects the fires, and it cuts the AC main supply using the relay. Buzzer is beeping, and LCD display the fire alert message, and I receive the message from GSM module. Fire is alert. So this is basic working of the project.
Now we are presenting our second system, that is a line following robot to carry the cylinder and measure the weight. The basic purpose of our system is we have designed this system for the aged and handicapped people. They are unable to pick the cylinder, and they have to pay the extra charge or extra money for that to carry the cylinder from the main door to the kitchen. The system is also useful for the industrial purpose as well as in the hospitals to carry the different weights and also carry the cylinders, etc. Now my team member Soham will explain the basic specifications and implementation of our system.
Hello guys, my name is Soham Sajed. Now I will show the implementation part of line following robot. This is our power supply part, that is 12 volt rechargeable battery that is given to the DC gear motor, and we give 12 volt, we convert 12 volt into 5 volt to drive the load cell and Atmega and LCD and buzzer part. So this is the Atmega 328P AVR microcontroller to drive to control the load cell at LCD and buzzer part. So this is a load cell to measure the weight, and the output of the load cell is very weak. So to boost the signal or to amplify the signal, we use HX711, that is amplifier circuit, to amplify the load cell output, and that is given to the 8 mega 38P controller. So and this is LCD display. It will display the weight it will display the weight of the cylinder, and this is a buzzer this is buzzer for indication purpose only. Now I will show the bottom side circuitry. This is another Atmega 38P controller to drive the motor and IR sensor. This is L293D motor driver circuit to drive the DC gear motor, and this is two IR sensor to follow the line path. Now demonstration part it will explained by the Devidas Singh.
Hello everyone, my name is Devidas Nandengde, and now I am showing you the demonstration of our line following robot. So basically it is the prototype of 5 kgs. Our cylinder is of 30 to 35 kgs, but we have made the prototype for 5 kg. So now I am showing you the demonstration. I am starting the robot. Okay, so it is the no load condition in which the it's showing the weight, that is 0 gram, and buzzer is buzzing because the weight is below 2 kg. Now I am placing the 2 kg weight, that is 2 kg of box we have on the chassis. So see, now it will showing the weight of the box, that is approximately around 2 kgs, and buzzer stop buzzing because of the weight is above 2 kg. Now I am placing the more 3 kg weight on our robot to add the to make the 5 kg. So see, now the weight is around 5 kg, and buzzer is not buzzing. Now I am showing the demonstration of our project. Okay, so now I am starting our robot. Our robot is follow the black line from the door to the kitchen side. So this is the basic working of our line following robot to carry the cylinder and measure the weight. So thank you everyone. Now I am thanking our project guide, Professor N.D. Chaudhary, for guiding us through the phases of our project, and also I am thanking our evaluators, Professor Poddar sir and Professor Atre madam, to guiding us and giving us the suggestion about our project. Now I am thanking finally to our team members to complete the project in a given phase of time. So thank you.